Hello, thank you for visiting a muscle car appraisal. Let's have some fun today. The name of this video is Barn Find Challenge. Is this car worth restoring? Let me repeat that. Barn Find Challenge. Is this car worth restoring? This video is for car fans, car experts, car enthusiasts, car gurus. We're going to reverse the roles. Here comes the fun part. In our typical videos, Jim Murphy is sharing his knowledge of the car industry with you. We're going to reverse the roles today. We want you to share your knowledge of the car industry with us. So we're going to show you a series of photos of this car, and at the end we're going to have some questions of you. So it's a reversal of the roles. Share this with your car fan friends. Share this with fellow car gurus, car restorers. Let's make this spread out. Let's have some fun with this. So, is this car worth restoring? Barn Find Challenge. So the questions will appear at the end of this video. We're going to have a series of photos of the car, and then at the end of the video, the questions will appear. Let us know if you could find anything wrong with the photos. Let us know your opinions. Let's have some fun with this. And let's challenge your knowledge. Thank you. Watch till the end for the questions. Okay, this is Muscle Car Appraisal again. Now that you've seen the photos of the car, we want to know what your opinion is. Is this car worth restoring? What year is this car? What model is this car? Anything that you know about this car, tell us. What do you think it's worth in its present condition? What do you think it will be worth once it's restored? What color would be the proper color on this car? Any knowledge you have, please share with us. What problems did you see in the photos? How much time will be involved in restoring this car? Any opinions you have about this car, please share with them, with the world. Please share your opinions with the world. Share your knowledge. This is a challenge. Let's have some fun. Thanks for watching our video today. Please give us a thumbs up. Please, in the comment section, share your opinions and your knowledge about this car. Let's have some fun. Have a great day. Thanks for visiting Muscle Car Appraisal. Muscle Car Appraisal thanks you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like our video and hit the bell notification. And once again, we thank you for looking at our video. Have a great day.